Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanifa. I am from B class. I want to review a journal from Hidayat A, Mulyastuti L, and Dewanti R, 2020-22. Okay, poetry appropriation, teaching material design based on contextual approach, English review, Journal of English Education, 10.3.9.7.5.9 H and 2. And accepted 24/9/2022 and published 3/11/2022. Poetry appreciation, teaching material design based on contextual approach. Arif Hidayat, Liliana Mulyastuti, Ratna Dewanti from University Jakarta. Teaching material are needed as learning research that should be adapted based on student condition, and the contextual approach is a stable approach to meet the needs of students in learning in order the improvement of learning outcomes can be carried out. Appreciation of poetry as a course in the development of Indonesian language and literature education requires development to obtain learning outcome and adjustment on student condition and the times. And the development of such a theory has led this research to develop the design of teaching material as an intellectual framework and the basis of reference of teaching material for poetry appreciation. This research uses a qualitative approach and descriptive method to define it from the point of view of students, lecturers, and experts in the field of poetry appreciation. The result of the study showed the need in terms of content and strengthening the theory. In the element of the book, the graphic and the appearance or layout are important to attract interest, and sporting elements such as short and long videos and expert opinions are by the needs by students. And laboratory facilities and art space are representative place to apply more contextual learning. This research is preferred for the need of element and for other research who need analysis and framework of teaching materials from the book elements, learning outcomes and sporting component. And then the result of research from students and lecturers or experts find that teaching material have elements of feasibility of content, language, presentation, and graphics. Okay, the result of this reduction are adjusted to the assessment standard for the evaluation of teaching material Shah 2006. After experiencing the reduction process of dozens of participants from the interview, the result was just as presented in this journal. This research is qualitative research with a described approach, and the research was recorded with Mile and Haberman technique, which have strategy of data reduction, presentation, and reference presentation. This research used student interviewed instrument about the need for a poetry appreciation teaching materials give to students of Indonesian language and literature education at Kuningan University as many as 26 questions. Lecture and practitioner in the field of poetry approbation were given to 20 questions of the 46 question. Research found a reduction in data which the product a table of student needs for the necessary teaching material as a stake of inference and assessment of research to the stage of discussion about the design presentation present in the discussion. Okay, the design of the contextual-based poetry appreciation teaching material is a framework of ideas that are intellectual concept and design design development by looking at needs, studies, and related research led to development that bring a closure the value of contextuality of modern and generation. Students are more likely to be close to social media. Okay, the form of the textbooks in the form of printed teaching materials with the contents of learning outcomes supported by media and learning facilities to define the characteristic of contextual poetry appreciation. The development of this design make a folk that can be changed or that can even be adapted directly into the teaching material for poetry. Appreciation made based on this research. What is the strategy in the term of theory and concept of ideas in this article may support the progress of poetry appreciation at the university and general levels. I think that enough and thank you.